Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to call back a restricted number on Android. First of all, go for your phone app. Then go for in this three dot option here. Tap on settings. Now tap on block numbers. Now you can see all of your numbers that you have blocked before. First of all, just unblock them, and now you can call that restricted number. So that's it. This is how you can call a restricted number on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.